Hey friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to speed up your computer with very easy method. Whether you are using Windows 11 or Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 7. See, I'm using Windows 10 Home Edition. If you are visited my channel for first time, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Let's start. First of all, right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. Now click on Startup. Now disable all apps from status option. Don't worry, this method won't be create any problems in your computer. Okay, go to next step. Now go to Control Panel. Control Panel. Click on Uninstall Program and uninstall OneDrive software. Uninstall. Now go to next step. Go to Control Panel again. Now go to System. Here we can see System. Yeah, here. Click on System. Click on Advanced System Setting. Okay, click on. Click on Setting. Now click on Custom and unmark this all option. You can keep enable this option according to your choice, especially show thumbnails instead of icons. Then apply and OK. Okay, now going to next step. Now press Windows button and R button. Press together. You can see showing run command. Now type here services.msc. I repeat again, services.msc. Type this and press OK. Okay. You have to wait one moment. Now scroll down and find out Windows Update. Find out Windows Update. Here you can see Windows Update. Click on right click, select and right click. Okay, now click on Properties. Now click on Startup Type, select Disable, then Apply and OK. Okay, going to next step. Now go to Setting. Setting. Now click on System. Here you can see System. Click on. Now click on Notification and Action. Notification and Action. Disable notification. Okay. Go to next step. Now go to Setting again. Go to Setting. Now click on System. Now click on Storage and enable this option. Okay. Go to next step. Now go to Windows search bar and type here disk cleanup. Type here disk cleanup. Here you can see disk cleanup. Click on this. In this option, you have to clean up every drive of your computer one by one. Clean up every drive. Select a drive. I'm selecting C drive. Okay. Then OK. Wait a moment. You can see C drive is cleaning. Now mark all here. Then click on clean up system files. Now clean up every drive of your computer in same method. Every drive. Now restart your computer. Then you will get a surprise because you will see your computer is running very fast. So friends, task has completed. To get any tech related videos, please subscribe my channel and Tech 2.0 and stay with my channel. Thank you.